product on the internet, sometimes it's a difficult process. And the reason why it's difficult is because you can't touch the product. You can't feel what it feels like. You know, when I'm at a trade show, I'll have people sit down and they can feel how this product feels, which is great. So that being said, I'd like to introduce you to the new Zen-Pillow. The new Zen-Pillow is made of an open cell. It's a multi-contoured pillow. You sleep on both sides. The A side, which I call the contour side, with 2 snuggle cushions, or you can sleep on the B side, which is a cradling side. The only pillow that actually gives you a cradling position. The Zen-Pillow, you can sleep on it in the middle, here, not this position, unless you're very comfortable this way, but here on your shoulder, left or right snuggle position. You can actually turn the pillow around to sleep with your arms through, which I'll demonstrate in a minute on the bed. Chiropractors have recommended the Zen-Pillow, and the reason why they recommend the Zen-Pillow, because it addresses C1 through C7 of your cervical section, L1 through L5 of your lumbar. One pillow serving 2 purposes, which is a great product. Now, my objective is to get this product into your hands with a degree of confidence. Okay? So, with that being said, I'm going to demonstrate how it's used on the bed. Alright, this is what I like, right here. This is how I sleep every night, and it's a great feeling. I can snuggle to the left, or I can snuggle to the right. Now, the size of the cervical section is based on the size of the person. If you're a big person, you will use a big pillow. If you're a more petite sized person, you'll use a smaller pillow. This, I can turn to the left here, and you can see how the snuggle up side cushion just falls to the side. Or if I'm sleeping in the middle here, people think this is in your face. It's not. Why? I can actually get this right here to get elevated position off my shoulder. Okay? I can also do a neck extension, which helps reduces the stress of the day. Simply rotate this up and put my head back. So I'm getting a good neck extension. You may want to stay in this position for 5 to 10 minutes to release the stress of the day. And when you're ready to sleep, simply rotate it down and you're sleeping. What the Zen-Pillow has done is create a wind tunnel, which is different to any pillow in the market today. This particular area here creates a wind tunnel alongside your head to the top. It keeps you cool. For me, I prefer having a blanket, but that's just me. You can try it if you want to. But this is a Zen-Pillow. This is the A side. If I rotate the pillow, here I am. To avoid arm numbness, I'm putting my hands through. The side cushions is supporting the height of the pillow, and the 2-inch gap here is supporting my neck. So I'm not kinked like this. So there I am. I can keep the pillow into my side. The Zen-Pillow can also be used on the cradling side. This is the cradling side. This position is a phenomenal position. It's unique to the Zen-Pillow because it gives you stability here. You can again rotate to the left or rotate to the right. You can get more head stability by simply tucking in each side. You get head lift and head stability. Some people sleep like this. You can have it out. You can sleep like this, and it's fine. Now, the Zen-Pillow is a very friendly pillow. And it's a friendly pillow because if you have an existing pillow, it actually works with your existing flat pillow or memory foam pillow. The Zen-Pillow can play in the sandbox. Simply take your existing pillow, put it on top. It helps you to reshape your cervical section, give additional height if you so desire. And you can use the Zen-Pillow. You want to turn to the left, right here, off your shoulder, if you want the additional height, if you're a big person, or if you're a small person, that depends. Now, I would like to show you cradling position because this is one of my favorite positions. Here I am. And I just enjoy the cradling position because it's unique, it's different. And if you can look at this on the internet and see the comfort it provides, I can take the sides, I can tuck it in for more head stability if I want to. There's no gimmicks. This is exactly what the pillow does. So that's using the Zen-Pillow with the existing pillow as a pillow topper. Now the Zen-Pillow is very flexible. It's a very flexible item. You can take the Zen-Pillow after you're done, stick it in the wash, but of course we have pillowcases that's available. Let me say this purchase is a very smart purchase. It's uncompared to any pillow on the market today. The Zen-Pillow brings value to the cost of the item and to you as a user. You may spend $70, $50 per session at a chiropractor or at a massage therapist. The Zen-Pillow, after you're done with those sessions, what do you have at home to give you the support that you just paid for? Absolutely nothing. The Zen-Pillow will give you that support. So your cost going towards the chiropractor or cost towards a massage therapist could be reduced because you're using a product that have maintained the massages or the chiropractic adjustment that you just had. It helps maintain this when you go home. One of the reasons why I mention that because I'm a patient. I have neck and back issues, and I spent over a year and a half at a chiropractor, and basically I had no support when I went home. When I went home, I had pains, and I had to go back to the chiropractor several times to get them adjusted. After I've used the Zen-Pillow, I have not been to the chiropractor today. And that's not by choice. That's because the pain has been alleviated, has been removed, and I'm thankful to the Zen-Pillow. So this gives you a good feel as to what the Zen-Pillow can do. Again, it's not a memory foam pillow. It's made of a molded, contoured product. It's a molded foam, so it never loses shape. It would not go flat. This is a premier product. And when you do buy this product, it comes with a warranty along with a patent. The Zen-Pillow is US patented. It also has a Europe community registration. So we are both here in the US and in Europe. We do have a written witness endorsement from a chiropractor, and we have had several testimonials from 3 doctors that say the Zen-Pillow is a fantastic product and they will recommend it to a friend. We have had testimonials from attorneys, engineers, and other bankers and other people working normally have given us a 4 to 5 rating. What comes with the Zen-Pillow is it has a warranty. Certification of warranty gives you a 5-year protection. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is no risk on your side. When you do buy a Zen-Pillow, it comes with a congratulation letter that says, hey, thank you for considering the Zen-Pillow and thank you for buying the Zen-Pillow. Basically, it says, welcome to the family. Along with that, you will get an actual product sheet that shows how the Zen-Pillow is to be used and what it can be used for, along with all the benefits it provides. It gives you contact to us if you so need to get contact with us, along with how the Zen-Pillow can be used. Now, I know buying a product like the Zen-Pillow makes you wonder and compare to what's currently out there. And I would say there's nothing on the market today like the Zen-Pillow. It's covered with 100% cotton material. It is flexible. That means it holds its shape. It can maneuver in any position you so like. And most of all, it is washable, 100% washable. The Zen-Pillow again is made with an open foam. An open foam means it breathes. I can hold this up to my face and I can breathe through it. I will show you for an example. I'm actually breathing through the Zen-Pillow. So I cannot say enough about the Zen-Pillow, but most I can do is encourage you to try the Zen-Pillow for 30 days. If you like it, please keep it. Order some more products from us. If you don't, return it. We will refund your money. We do have a return policy. The Zen-Pillow again is a unique item. It's completely different to what's on the market, and it adds value for the product the way it has been designed and tested. I want to say thank you, and I hope to see you soon on our website. And once we do come up with new products, we will send you information about those products, provided that you give us your email address. Again, thank you, and I hope you will be buying a Zen-Pillow soon. Have a great day.